What's up guys, in this episode we're gonna install this shift knob to Project Miata plus this suede e-brake boot and shift boot. To start off, you're gonna want to remove the shift knob that comes with the car by just spinning it lefty loosey righty tighty, right guys? Once it's off, you're gonna want to remove the screws that are found in the center console, which is this one in the ashtray or cup holder, and two in the little compartment. After you get all the screws out, you just want to lift the center console up, make sure it doesn't get stuck, and slide it up so the console doesn't hit the gas tank reliever. And you're going to be careful with this wire. You can disconnect it if you want, but I'm just gonna leave it in. Next, what you're going to want to do is remove these 4 screws located on that holds on the boot. I'll be back once I get those. Once you remove the screws, you can just take the plastic with the boot and just pry it up. Now what you're gonna want to do is remove the leather from the clips and put in the new boot that you got. I'll be back once I remove this leather one. Alright guys, I got the old boot out. Now I'm gonna put in the new one. I got the old boot out. Now I'm gonna put in my new suede one I got off Amazon. As you can see, this one has 4 holes right here for these 4 clips, as this side has only 3 for these 3. So you're gonna just want to line it up and put these holes in the clips, and I'll be back once I got that finished. I'm back, and I got the suede material attached to the plastic. Now it's just time to get this and put it back, put the screws, and put the center console back. I'll be back once I got that finished. Alright, now that everything is back together, let's start installing this shift knob. The one I bought came with 3 attachments. All you gotta do is set them right here and see which one fits the shift holder. I'll be back once I find the correct one. Alright, I found the correct one and put it in. Now you just get the shift knob and screw it in. And look at that, you got your new shift knob with your boot, and it works amazing, no problems at all. We do have a little excess on the boot, so if you want, it's probably a good idea to zip tie that down to the actual shifter, but I'm just gonna leave it like this for now and see what I plan to do on it. Now let's install the e-brake boot. It's just as easy as slipping it in. You slip it in and just tuck it inside the carpet. Make sure everything's aligned. Just tuck it into inside the carpet. And there you go. I had to play with the e-brake a little. It didn't want to fit all the way in, but I got it and I like it. So it looks great. And so there you have it, guys. Shifter and boot and the e-brake boot. So if you like this video, give that like button a click and subscribe for more Project Miata.